They say a man is only as strong as his word, and most men today ain't saying much worth remembering. See, the world's full of talkers now. Big mouths, small follow-through. Everybody promising things, but when the time comes to show up, they vanish like smoke. But not you. Not the man becoming fire. When you speak, it's law. When you commit, it's carved in stone. When you shake a hand, it means something. Because a real man's word doesn't need signatures. It doesn't need witnesses, it stands on honor. A man who keeps his word doesn't need to explain himself. He doesn't need to post proof. His consistency is the proof. He doesn't just talk about loyalty, he lives it. He doesn't just promise love, he protects it. He doesn't just dream, he delivers. You want to know why your word matters? Because one day, that's all you'll have left. Your name, your reputation, your legacy, they all hang on the same thread, your word. When you tell someone you'll be there, and you are, even when it's inconvenient, that's manhood. When you promise something, and you grind through pain, exhaustion, temptation just to honor it, that's character. Because a man who breaks his word breaks trust. And once that cracks, it never fits the same again. Your word builds bridges or burns them. Your word creates loyalty or kills it. Your word separates men from boys. You say you'll do it, then do it. Even when nobody's watching. Even when nobody claps. Even when they forgot you said it, you remember. Because your word isn't about them. It's about you. A man who can't be trusted can't be respected. And a man who can't be respected can't lead. You want to be a leader? Start by meaning what you say. Speak less, deliver more. Promise less, execute harder. And if you say yes, mean it with your soul. Because one day your son will watch you. He'll see if your words line up with your walk. And that's when he learns what kind of man he's gonna be. Your example becomes his standard. Your integrity becomes his inheritance. So if you ever feel tempted to flake, to quit, to ghost, to make excuses, remember this. Weak men run when it's hard. Real men rise when it's inconvenient. Because they know, without your word, you're just noise. Without your word, you're nothing. So when you speak next time, make it count. Make it final. Make it sacred. Because a man who keeps his word doesn't need to say much. The world already knows he means every syllable. His silence carries weight. His promises carry power. His name carries fire. And that's how legends are made. Not through talk, but through truth. Not through noise, but through honor. Not through speeches, but through consistency. Keep your word, brother, because that's what keeps you a man on fire.